And here's the last question, the $1 million question. You ready?
Okay.
So imagine you had to start all over again and you knew no one. So you didn't know your husband, didn't know your kids, but you had all your current knowledge, skills, and wisdom. What's the first thing you do or the first place you go to build a network marketing business from scratch?
I guess I would have to go to a network marketing company, right? And find one that works. Probably I would go and start networking at networking groups, honestly. And going online and doing the things that I know built up my customer base and my following. So I would go on, I personally like Facebook, so I would use Facebook again. I would start friend requesting people and go find commonality. Always finding commonality with people is huge. I would go meet people in person and go to networking events to introduce myself, but more importantly, getting to know the people in front of me. People feel like they know you more when you ask them questions about themselves than when you share about yourself. So asking a lot of questions of those that you meet and getting to know them will create a quicker bond and a more genuine connection.